innovative, but also practical and user-friendly. They must understand the intricacies of human anatomy and physiology to design devices that integrate seamlessly with the human body. They design prosthetics, develop imaging techniques, and create medical devices. These innovations have a profound impact on the quality of life for patients, enabling them to lead more independent and fulfilling lives. The work of biomedical engineers is crucial in pushing the boundaries of what is medically possible. Empathy and compassion are crucial in addressing patient needs. These qualities help build trust and rapport between healthcare providers and patients, making the treatment process more effective. Understanding the emotional and psychological aspects of patient care is as important as the technical aspects. Imagine designing a prosthetic leg for an athlete. The device must not only be functional, but also tailored to the specific needs and goals of the athlete. This requires a deep understanding of biomechanics, material science, and the unique requirements of high-performance sports. AI can help, but can it understand the athlete's emotional and physical needs? While AI can analyze data and suggest improvements, it lacks the ability to empathize and understand the nuanced needs of individuals. This is where the human touch becomes indispensable. Biomedical engineers listen to patients and tailor designs to meet specific requirements. They take the time to understand the unique challenges and preferences of each patient, ensuring that the final product is both effective and comfortable. This personalized approach is key to successful medical outcomes. As personalized medicine and gene editing advance, ethical implications grow. The potential for groundbreaking treatments comes with the responsibility to consider the moral and ethical dimensions of these technologies. Biomedical engineers must navigate these complex issues with care and foresight. Biomedical engineers navigate these issues with empathy and integrity. They are committed to improving health outcomes while upholding the highest ethical standards. Their work is a testament to the power of merging technology and humanity for a healthier future. The future is human, with a little help from AI. 3 engineering jobs that AI can't take entirely. Despite the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, there are certain aspects of engineering that remain uniquely human. AI is a powerful tool, but human skills like creativity, problem-solving, empathy, and communication are irreplaceable. These skills are essential in navigating complex challenges and innovating new solutions. Engineers, keep honing those skills. Your ability to connect with people and solve problems is your greatest asset. Engaging in continuous learning and professional development will keep you ahead in this evolving landscape. Considering a career in engineering? It's an exciting time to shape the future with human ingenuity and technology. The integration of AI and human expertise opens up endless possibilities for innovation and progress. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more on job security and the future of work. Stay tuned for more insights and updates. See you next time.